Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can buy and sell the stocks in Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 app, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now when you log in into your account, on the home page itself, you are going to see your stocks watch list. You can also tap on the option of top winners and top losers, and bunch of different categories will be available over here. So you need to simply select that particular stock in which you are interested and the stock that you want to buy. So after selecting the stock, its price is going to look something like this. So you need to simply tap on the option of buy. Now over here you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase this particular stock. It is going to show you the amount that you are currently spending plus the shares that you are going to get. So over here you need to simply just review your order and review your details and tap on the option of send by order. So this way your order will be placed and you are going to get this particular stock inside your account. So this way you will be able to purchase it. Now in order to sell it, you just have to simply select the same stock or another stock that you want to basically sell. After selecting it, you are going to see the sell option enabled. So you need to simply tap on the sell option. Afterwards you just have to simply select the amount that you want to sell. So when you select the option of amount that you want to sell, you just have to basically place the sell order, and this way you will be able to basically buy and sell the stocks in Trading 212. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.